My name's Jeanette Huddleston. I'm from Sacramento, California. I'm a community outreach and education coordinator. The degree I'm receiving is a master's in communications from Purdue University, and I decided to pursue this degree because I'm very passionate about communication and engaging with our local community, and I wanted to become a more effective communicator. I chose Purdue University Online because I felt that the university was affordable. The second reason why I chose Purdue University is because of its top-notch education. I felt that the university has a lot of variety of courses to offer that are relevant to my career. The third reason why I chose Purdue University is because its flexibility. I felt that the university provides a program where I was able to balance my work life and also my family time. The reason why I think that going to Purdue will impact my career trajectory is that I was able to learn a great amount of skills, including social media, communication tactics, just ways to better understand my audience, because in the work that I do, it's really important to engage and also communicate effectively with my audience. It was really important for me to go back to school to help amplify my career and open doors for leadership opportunities. I would definitely recommend Purdue University Online to others for so many reasons. The flexibility that Purdue provides is phenomenal. If you're a working professional and you're wanting to go back to school, Purdue University provides and builds in that flexibility for you. Another thing that I really value about Purdue University is its excellent staff and support system that they have here. Although I live in California, I never felt alone. I felt that I was still part of the community. The staff here are very accessible, they're very encouraging, they cheer you all the way through, and also just having that community that supports you and rallies you. I really feel here at Purdue, they are genuinely interested in you succeeding as a student. Hi, my name is Jeanette. I took my giant leap with Purdue University Online. Boiler up!